Hi, Ava. Okay, show me. Yay! Good job. You gonna do it again?
Yeah.
One more.
Hi, Daddy.
Hi. Ava, one more jump for Mom?
Okay, just one finger this time, okay? Ready? Jump.
Yay! Good job.
Careful.
Okay, this time.
Careful,
you have to
that's
go by
right.
yourself.
Careful. One.
I
Ava.
refuse.
Did you poop?
More?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now you do it. Ready? Now you show us. Show Mommy and Daddy. Show us how to do it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yay! Good job, Ava. That's a good girl.